the more you believe something works, even if we've proven it works. When you learn how we've proven it works, you become more impressed and more certain that it will work, right? So that will strengthen its effect separately from its actual physical effects on you through via something like a placebo effect or a belief effect. And so, you don't have to go straight to super cold like I did. You can start off at just lukewarm. Okay, so even lukewarm water, comparing a control group at ambient air temperature versus a group that was immersed in 32 degrees Celsius water, which is 89.6 Fahrenheit water. Okay, which is not cold. Okay, that's like warm water, but it's like lukewarm or to warm, right? So it's pretty comfortable water. Um, the people in the lukewarm water, 89 degree, almost 90-degree Fahrenheit water, lowered their heart rate 15%, their systolic blood pressure 11%, their diastolic blood pressure 12%, their plasma renin activity went down 46%, plasma cortisol dropped 34%, and aldosterone dropped 17%. So, and it's probably more than just the temperature. There's probably other beneficial effects from water, just being in water. But what I would say, wrapping up here, is that the TLDR here, right? Too long didn't read or too long didn't listen, TLDL maybe, is take a bath, right? Get bathing into your life one way or the other. Start off with just a regular bath, right? Lower the temperature to room temperatures, and then make it slightly colder than that. And then gradually work your way up, if you want, to colder temperatures. But even just regular temperature, like 90-degree Fahrenheit water, lukewarm water with maybe some Epsom salts or something, can be tremendously beneficial. And fix the things you know that are wrong now after listening to me. Go and figure out the things you don't know that are wrong by learning more. And those things, lifestyle changes, sunlight, cold, grounding, eating right, avoiding toxins, avoiding too much blue light so you can turn your screens red. That's what I do. I go into settings and turn up the red to like 100, and like it's a little bit annoying and a little bit off-putting, and people who see it are like, what's wrong with your phone? That's what it looks like. And I have a quick little conversion. I triple click over here, it turns blue, and then I triple click and it turns red. So you can learn how to do that. You can Google it, but it's in settings basically. And there's a way to create that, rapid way of doing it, changing the setting. So we're just blue light toxic. We're getting too much blue light during the day and especially at night. And if you fix all these things and focus on your local environment, you will be healthy eventually, right? One way or the other. You will get healthy, because that's what health is. It is a cause and effect relationship, and health happens when you are in balance with the world around you and with yourself, right? So human health is more complicated than animal health. So we're abusing ourselves in a lot of ways by emotions and thoughts, negative beliefs, anger, all these things. We have to balance those things too to be healthy, because your immune system doesn't just help when you're invaded by a bacteria. It will help you by creating some sort of changes in you when you're invaded by too much anger, right? So it will manifest an inflammatory disease process in a lot of different situations for your benefit, trying to send you a message that, hey, you're doing something wrong that's hurting us. Stop doing it or we'll die. Okay.